What's up, crew? Welcome back to our channel. I'm going to show you some products that we use to create Brio's passion twist look. Got some even crochet needle with the little comb back there, with the 7 packs of the Bohemian braid from Freetress, and we got a color TT27 and TT30 if I'm not mistaken, just to give it a little shine, a little pop. I'm gonna do a zoom for you and a little tour. There we go. Full 360, you guys. Alright, and right here you're going to see me taking down a ponytail that I previously put up the night before. I kind of already started the rubber band method to accomplish this look for Brie. Just going to see a few that I did. Excuse my scar, breaking out really bad in my face. If you all have any skincare routine for dry skin, let me know. Please, 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 because your girl is going through it. Anywho, I'm showing you her scalp, how my parts are. It's not too neat, but like, it's there, you know. It's not disrespectful, it's respectful. I don't got my sis looking like a fool, but I'm just showing you how I did it and the look that I'm kind of going for. You'll get the full image glimpse once I finish. So you're just gonna see me part right now. I'm gonna show you how I exactly do the rubber band method. It's just like making 1,000 little ponytails in the hair, making sure no hairs are sticking together, no frizz, nothing connecting that will make it uncomfortable for her. So watch me do what I do with Breezy, you know, and yeah. The camera didn't really catch the full technique that I was doing right here, but basically I was just combing at the roots of her, not the roots, the ends of her hair, so that it wouldn't get detangled when I start twisting or even when I put the rubber band on. So I was just combing, making sure it's good. I'm gonna show you guys the part. It's a little cricket, but you know, it's like the look that I'm going for. Like I said before, I put a little eco right there in the front, rub it in, and I also do the same thing behind it. I rub it through, do that, and then I'm gonna apply the rubber band and we're gonna get this thing rolling. I'm going to repeat this method throughout the rest of the video in this clip. You're just going to see me just continuously doing parts and plaits, parts and plaits. Welcome back. It is a new day for us. We have been taking forever on this process. Okay, we either start too late or don't start on time, but on this one I'm going to show you the crochet method that I use. I'm going to show you the needle, how I loop it through, and how I pull it out, and you know, make it do what it do, how it do. I'm actually seeing this method done numerous of times. I basically insert the crochet needle in, hook my hair to it, that way we get that pull through and it start twisting away. Alright, so right here I'm showing you my loop method. Go ahead, put it through, pull, squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Not too hard though, you know, don't be rough at all. And then in some of them you're going to see that I'm twisting in the opposite direction. Then some I twist regular and I kind of pull up to give it that tightness and that grip. Just to get that nice curl and that nice little bounce that you're going to see shortly. And then I'm going to do another one in the back for you guys to give you a closer look of how I really did it, how I hooked the hair, and how I did the loop method, and then my twist pattern. And then we're going to just repeat this throughout. Go with your flow, do how you do, and speed how you speed. Don't try to rush, take your time, and just get it done. Alright, here we go. We are in the front. Closer look. Be real careful when you push this crochet needle through. It is near the face. It can poke your eye, cheek, ear, whatever. Don't want to make anyone uncomfortable. Don't want to make anyone red, nothing. So be real careful. Once again, doing the same method I've been doing. Hopefully this helps. Hope it's helpful. Hope you like it. If not, comment below. Let me know what I did wrong. Let me know what I can do to improve. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I added a little color to her hair. Let me know if you like it. I kind of like, it brings out something. I just don't know what it is, but like, I like the hair choice. As you can see, we are almost at the finish line. I'm so ready to see what the final look is going to look like. So far, I am in love. She's loving it. She's feeling it. And I'm just like ready. right here I had like 5 more to do. I was ready to get it over with. We didn't play, talk, dance, Snapchat. Like, we ready. And it's almost here. So stay tuned. Finally, what we all been waiting for. We are finally done. Sis, it's popping. She happy. I'm happy. Color blended well. Had to flick it up. Thank you guys for tuning in. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Comment below what you think and how I did.